Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello, Min. How are you today? That's good. Okay. I saw that you in like the waiting room and then I wanted to admit you, but then it didn't show you again. And I was like, let me just wait so you can maybe come back. And then you did come back. Okay. So how was your week last week? Was it good?
Yes.
That's good. Okay. So if we look at the work that we are going to do today, let me just see. Did you go to school today?
Yes, I did.
You did. That's good. Okay. Let me open our lesson. Share you the screen. We are gonna look at a new unit today. Okay. Can you see the screen over there?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So let me just get the audio ready for what we are going to do today. We are not going to start with it, but I'm just going to get it ready so long so we can start with it right away when we get there. Oh. Okay, so first we are going to look at words, and that is very awesome. What is awesome about what we are going to do today is we are going to talk about the topic that's about school. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So let's see. Let's first look at the words. Find the school subjects and color the lines. So let me just exit quickly. Or I go out a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, we have the school subjects, and then you need to tell me where does it go to, okay? So for example, if we look at the easiest way we can do this one, because you cannot color the lines, I'm going to ask you what the picture is, okay? What type of, not sports, what kind of subject, okay? So let's see the first one. Where does this line go to?
Sport.
Sport, very good. Okay, then we see sport. There we go. Okay, and this one?
Art.
Art, yes. What about this one?
Science.
Science, very good. And this one?
History.
History, yes.
Geography.
Geography. Say geography.
Geography.
Very good. And then we look at this one. What is this one?
Languages.
Can you say again?
Languages.
Languages. Yes, very good. What about this one?
Music.
Music. Yes. Now, if we see all these subjects, can you tell me, is there anyone you like? Well, which subject do you like when you go to school? Can you tell me, is there one you like?
studying math.
Again, can you say something and math?
Yes.
Which other subject you said? Math and?
Math and computer.
Math and? Sorry, I can't hear you. It's a little bit, the noise is a little bit bad. Math and? Which is the other subject mean?
Math and art.
And art, okay. I see actually we missed someone or some picture. We had to do the math one. Okay, math and art, okay. Can you tell me, why do you like math? You like to work with numbers?
Can you repeat?
Why do you like math? Do you like to work with numbers and solving additional problems?
I cannot hear you.
Let me see. Can you hear me now, Min? Min,
Yes,
can you hear me now?
yes, I can.
Okay, so I was asking, do you like math to work, or because you work with numbers and solving problems, or why? Can you tell me, why do you like math so much? Ouch. Can you tell me?
I like math because
Because
I mustn't write much.
because you mustn't.
Mustn't write much.
Okay. Okay, that's a good one. And are you good with your numbers? Like doing math problems? Okay, that's good. So now let's look at the second one. Ploop, ploop. Which some subject has the longest line? So let's see. Which subject has the longest line? Which one do you think? I think of someone or some subject. I can see one with the longest line. Do you see one with the longest line?
Can you repeat?
Okay, so the second question was, what or which subject has the longest line? So which subject has the longest line? Like this is a line.
Vietnamese. It's Vietnamese.
Sorry? Vietnamese?
Yes.
What about Vietnamese? Listen carefully. We are looking at which subject has the longest line. So look at this picture. From science to math, which balloon has the longest line? Like this is a line from the picture to the balloon. Which one has the
Cannot see your
longest?
screen.
You don't see it? Oh no. Can you see it now? Okay, let me repeat the question again. Which subject has the longest line? So if we look at this picture, which subject has the longest line?
Languages.
Languages?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. We are making a line. Let me just draw a perfect line. Okay. Don't you think this one is longer? Look at this big line. You don't think that is a longer line?
Mm,
Yes or no? Do you think it is science or you think it's languages?
Science.
Science, very good. Okay, let me add science, very good. Science. Okay, number 2, tell your friend about the subjects you do at school. Okay, so we already spoke about the first one, which is which subject do you like? And you said math, right? Yes. You said math.
Yes, I can.
Okay. So which subject or subjects are difficult? Which subjects are difficult, do you think?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese? And why would you say so?
Because I must write very much.
You must you must write very much. Okay. And what is your favorite subject? I think we spoke about that already. Like you said, math, right? Min, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so what are your favorite subjects except for math? Do you have any other favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Only math or another subject as well?
Yes, only math.
Only math. Okay. Which subjects do you have exams in? Let's first do the first question. Which subjects do you have exams in? So can you tell me in school, how many subjects do you write exams? Exams is like tests. You know it, you know what is exams?
All subjects I study.
All the subjects you study, you do exams in all of them?
Exams.
Okay. And how do you feel, or how do exams make you feel? How do you feel about exams?
Yes. So easy.
Not
Don't do
difficult? You say difficult? Okay. Now let's see. The next thing we are going to look at is our story. Okay. So we are going to listen to the story. You can see the whole story. So let's look at the story. We are just going to listen quickly and then we are going to act it afterwards. Okay. So then we are going to make turns in saying something. Okay. So let's listen. Let me get my pointer.
1,
What are you doing? It's midnight.
I couldn't sleep.
2,
Emma, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Go to sleep.
3,
It's 7:15. Time to get up.
I'm very tired.
4,
What time is it? Are we late again? I'm not sure. Oh, it's 9:15. Let's run.
Oh, no.
5,
It's midday.
What's the matter? Don't you want to play? Sorry, I'm really tired.
6,
Dinner time. Oh dear, Holly's sleeping and it's only 6:30.
Oh my word. Okay, Min, so can you tell me what is happening in all of these, in this story? What do you think is happening in the story? When they talk about time,
couldn't sleep.
sorry,
Emma couldn't sleep.
Emma couldn't sleep. Okay. And what happened overall? What did they talk about the most? What do you think? Try to think, what did they talk about the most?
It's the time.
The time. Very good. Yes. Okay. So I am going to ask you to read us all the words that is been. Oh no, let me get the green again. Let me get the green. This one. This one. This one. These two. And then I'll read that one. Okay. So what are you doing? It's midnight.
I couldn't sleep.
Emma, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Go to sleep. Oh, it's 7:15. Time to get up.
Very tired.
I'm very tired.
What time is it? Are we late again?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's 9:45. Let's run. It's midday.
What's the matter? Thought you would play. Sorry, I'm really tired.
Very good. Dinner time. Oh dear. Holly's sleeping and it's only 6:30. Okay. So as you said, we talked about the time and they got late and that Holly couldn't sleep. Okay. Remember, we are talking about Holly for the past few lessons when they needed to go to the shop, when their mother went to the work and all of that. Okay. So let's look at number 2. Oh. Match the clocks with the pictures in the story. Write the numbers. So as you can see, there is 6 clocks. This one shows it's how late? How late is midnight? When do you think? When do you think is midnight, Min? Do you know?
Midday. Oh, no, midnight.
Yes, when is midnight? At what time? What can you see there on the clock? How late is it? Can you say again?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Okay. What about this time? Can you tell me how late is it? Can you tell me?
7:15.
7:15. Okay. And let's see. Wait. With which time does it match?
Quarter past 7.
Yes. Number
2.
number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3. Yes. Very good. Okay. Number 3. Oh my word. That's ugly. Uh-huh. Then the
8.
12 o'clock. When was that?
3.
Number?
5.
Number 5. It's midday. Yes. Can you see that midday is also the same as midnight? Okay. It's only different when we say AM and PM. When is it when it is PM? Is it number 5 or number 1? It's midday. Does that mean it's PM or AM? And the same goes for this one. It's midnight. When do you think? When do you think, Min? Which one is AM and which one is PM? Is it midnight or midday?
Midnight is AM. Midday is PM.
Well done. Yes. Why? Because AM is very early in the morning and 12 o'clock AM is at midnight. Okay. Then we look. Oh. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one. Can you tell me? The fourth one. How late do you think that is? Remember when we say, okay, let me give you time. It's almost 1:45 something. So 15 minutes before 9. No. Yes. 15 minutes before it's 9 o'clock. Let me go over here. When we say it's 9:45, when that is how it looks. I just help you a little bit there. So which one do you think it is? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Min? Can you tell me? Must I repeat the question?
Yes.
Okay, so when we are looking at this clock, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. When we look at this clock, oops, it's quarter to any time, okay? And what is the closest time it shows to? What's the closest number? So it's quarter to?
9.
Yes. And which number?
4.
Number 4. Very good. Okay, and then we have this one. How late is this?
Half past 6.
Yes, very good number.
6.
Very good. And then the last one, how late do you think is it? This is obviously going to be number 2.
Number 2. Yes.
How late do you think is it? So this is quarter past. So after quarter past, which is 15 minutes.
4 o'clock.
So 20 minutes. But now we are looking at the hour. So you could see it is something 4. So what's the time? What did you say again?
4 o'clock.
Very good. And which number do you see it over here? Number 2?
Number 2. Yes.
Very good. Okay. You are very quiet today. So let's see. Oh no, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Why? Oh my, why does it say the meeting is going to end? Hopefully it doesn't end. Okay, so let's think about your day, Min. Okay, now if we think about your day, you wake up, you go to school. There's probably a lot of things that you do every day. So can you tell me, let's first start by waking up, because that's the first thing that you need to do, right? Before you can do anything else. Sorry?
I wake up
At quarter past 6. Okay, quarter past 6. And then what do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and wash my face too.
Okay, and then after that?
It's breakfast at 6:30.
6:30. Okay, well done. And then after that, what are you doing after that? Okay, which one is the shorter one? Which one is the shorter one? They look the same. You need to make one of them a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. Which one? That the longer one? Is this the longer one?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what are you doing at that time?
I go to school.
Okay, very good. So you go to school 20 to 6 or 20 to 7. Then the time would look like this. Okay. Okay, and then what do you do at that time? At this
I-
time.
I'm studying at school. At school.
Okay, and then at 4 o'clock. Is this now in the afternoon? I assume it is. PM. What do you do at that time? 4 p.m.
I finish.
You
School.
finish school? Okay. So that one is done now. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then we are gonna look at our writing. Let me just see. Yes, our writing. So write the days onto the timetable. So let's learn our days quickly. So in the middle, we have a Wednesday. So this is in the week. Can you write what day is this, Min?
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good. Okay, then we have Wednesday, and then after that. What do you do? What do you do?
Thursday.
Very good. Oops. There you go, Thursday, and then what do we have? What do we have after that?
Friday.
Yes, very good. Okay. Then this is like the roster where they work on, right? Can you see morning lesson and then morning break? and then other lessons, then lunch break, afternoon lessons, and then after school clubs. So this person is very busy during the days. Okay, now let's see. Number 2, look at the timetable, write the answers to these questions. What time is it, or what time is the math lesson on Monday? So we are going to look at the math lesson. This is Monday. So we are looking at the math lesson. It is going to be at when? Psst.
Math.
At what time is it? If the call is going to end now, sorry, Min. I think the call is going to end now because it shows me, it showed me earlier that it's going to end in 10 minutes. But I don't know if it's going to end. If it is ending, I will just call you again, okay? You must just join me again, okay? So we can finish our 20 minutes after that as well, okay? So at what time is the math lesson on a Monday?
What?
So we are answering the questions, Min. What time is the math lesson on Monday?
11.
At 11 o'clock. Very good. Okay, now let's do the questions really. Number 2, what time is lunch every day? Let's see, when is lunch? This is lunch.
It's at 12 o'clock.
Yes. 12 o'clock. What time does art club start on Wednesday? Art club. Because it's Wednesday. So they are asking what time does art club? It's club
After school at